Natas series. In this video, we are moving on to the level 1. Now that we have covered the basics in level 0, it's time to start exploring the real world vulnerabilities. So here, we have whenever you went to the Natas 1, so you'll get a prompt and you have to enter your username and password that you obtained in your level 0. So here, you can able to see the message. You can find the password for the next level on this page, but right clicking has been blocked here. So the password it's confirmed. It's somewhat it is confirmed. The password is hidden inside the HTML. But whenever you right click on your mouse, you will get a prompt right click has been blocked. Then how can you get an access into this backend form? How can you inspect the elements? So if you are a Chrome user, you can use the Control U. So if you use the Control U, it is a shortcut key for the page source. So if you are a Firefox user, you can use Control Shift I. So according to their browsers, we have a different shortcut keys out there. So here I'm using the Chrome browser, therefore I have used the Control U to get into the source code. If I want inspection, then I click Control Shift I, then I'll get the inspect here. So I can move here everywhere, then I can find the password. Okay, fine. So we'll go to the page source, and here you can see that we can so here you can see the same thing as we have seen in the level 0 also same thing, but here it's somewhat enhanced security. See, in some web applications they won't allow right clicking, like they won't allow for the inspect elements in the web applications. At that time you can use the shortcut keys to get into the page sources and inspect, and there you can find the things. So here you can see level 1 Natas1. This is the password for the level 1. It's a current level username and password, but here this is the password for the next level, that is a Natas level 2. Simply copy this one and paste it in somewhere else. Here I'm saying, okay, so this is my Natas level 1 password. Then I'll get back to this. So here I'll change from Natas 1 to Natas 2. Then I'll get a prompt. Here you need to enter the Natas 2 and password. Then click on sign in. So here you can see we are now in Natas 2. So like this we have to solve the level 1. Okay guys, we will see you in the next video, that is a Natas level 3. We will explore some more vulnerabilities.